As you stand on the threshold of what's next, the world can feel vast and sometimes daunting. You're navigating new paths, facing choices, and building the foundation of your future. It's a time of incredible potential, but also moments of uncertainty. Remember that within you lies immense strength and capacity. This journey is uniquely yours, filled with opportunities for growth and discovery. Embrace the process, the learning, and the becoming. Sometimes, a few simple words can illuminate the path ahead or shift our perspective entirely. Throughout history, wise individuals have distilled profound truths into concise phrases. These are more than just sentences, they are anchors, reminders, and calls to action. They offer us condensed wisdom from those who have walked similar paths before. Let these words resonate with you, offering comfort, challenging your assumptions, and inspiring you to see the world and yourself in a more positive light. Consider this thought: what lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. This powerful quote reminds us where our true power resides. It's not in past mistakes or future anxieties. Your resilience, your spirit, your potential, that is what truly matters. Focus on cultivating that inner strength. Trust in your ability to handle challenges and to find joy, regardless of external circumstances. Here's another truth to hold on to: believe you can, and you're halfway there. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental principle of achievement. Your belief in yourself is a powerful catalyst. Doubt can be a heavy burden, but confidence, even just a spark, can propel you forward. Start by believing in your capacity to learn, to adapt, and to succeed. That initial belief unlocks possibilities you might not have seen otherwise. Finally, think about this: the best way to predict the future is to create it. Your future isn't a predetermined destination you passively arrive at. It is built, day by day, through your actions, your choices, and your mindset. You have agency. You have the power to shape your tomorrow by what you do today. Don't wait for things to happen, make them happen. Be proactive, be intentional, and build the life you envision. These quotes, and countless others, offer us lenses through which to view our journey. They encourage resilience, self-belief, and proactive creation. Adopting a positive outlook isn't about ignoring difficulties, it's about choosing where to focus your energy. Focus on your inner strength, believe in your potential, and actively create the future you desire. Let these words be companions on your path. Carry their wisdom with you, and let them inspire a positive, empowered approach to every step you take.